Welcome back to Speak Real Arabic, everyone. Today we are jumping back into more Syrian expressions. I'm your host, Ozzy, and I just want to thank you so much for all the support on the videos, especially the Syrian expressions one. I love doing those. It seems like you guys are having a good time. They really make me laugh, and I love sharing that laughter with all of you. So, if you haven't checked out the other Syrian expressions video, you should go check them out right now. You can find the link in the descriptions below. So go ahead and check those out. As usual, before we jump into the video, I have to throw some shameless self-promotion. Comes from corporate. You know the drill, guys. Hit that subscribe button and ding that bell icon so you can be the first to get notification when we upload new videos, which, as you know, we do quite often. Now, let's jump into some awesome expressions. First one I want to talk about today is a very graphic one, which is شي بحط العقل بالكف. I'm going to repeat that. شي بحط العقل بالكف. This really shows you a weird insight into the Syrian psyche. Literally, this translates to something that can put your brain in your palm, which I know sounds like the slogan of a weird cult. In reality, though, this is very similar to mind-blowing, or something that's so extraordinary that it literally makes you want to remove your brain, hold it in your hand, and inspect it just to make sure that it's still working. I know, the logic behind this is not exactly solid, but hey, at least your brain is still intact rather than blowing it, so. Anyways, moving on to another one. And this one is really impossible to explain. It is two words, khanta manta. Let me just say this one again, khanta manta. What's cool about this one is that it actually has no literal translation. These words on their own don't even have any meaning. But we use this to say that two people look so similar to each other that you cannot tell them apart. Like, he looks so much like his father. They are khanta manta. I really tried to do some digging on the origins of this, but couldn't find anything. My best guess is because the words sound so similar, we just use them this way. Oh, and if you actually happen to know the origin of this, hit us up in the comment and I'll give you a shout out in our next video. So, the third expression that I want to talk to you guys about today is a bit enigmatic and has to do with mystery and superstition. The expression is Elaine tisifak. I'm going to say that again. Elaine tisifak, which literally translates to may the eye smack you. You see, in Syrian culture, we believe that others' jealousy can hurt you directly. The mystic eye, or the jealous eye, or Ain al-Hasad, are names given to other people being envious of what you have, and as a consequence, you end up losing whatever it is that you had. So sometimes when someone is bragging or doing something annoying to you, we say Elaine tisifak, which means I hope you get hit with some hardcore envy that'll knock that good thing right out of your life. It's all done in good fun, of course. We have that sense of dark humor, I guess. That's just us. Okay, so we arrived at our last expression for this video, which is حكلي لحكلك. I'm going to say that again. حكلي لحكلك. This has to do with scratching. You know how in English you sometimes say, scratch my back and I'll scratch yours? Well, this literally means scratch for me and I'll scratch for you. This is used when you're trying to ask someone for a favor, but you want to assure them that when the time comes, you will return that favor for sure, you know? The honor system is a huge part of Syrian culture. We actually sometimes remind each other of this quid pro quo by saying, أنا حكيت لك, أنت حكي لي, which means I scratched for you. It's time for you to scratch for me now. It's the honor system there. So I guess that's the Syrian expressions that I wanted to share with you today. Again, thank you so much for watching, and hey, don't forget to click that thumbs up button. It'll take like a second and it'll make you very cool. Anyways, as always, let me know in the comments if there's anything about Syrian culture that you would like me to talk about, explore, chat a bit. My name is Ozzy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.